Hey everyone, I'm showing you how to make a paper shotgun, and these are quite simple steps. So I've skipped the first bit because I couldn't really be bothered. So I'll just make a piece of tubing like that, okay, for the barrel. Okay, get another piece of paper, do it lengthways. So, wait. You'll make it the same size, so I'll just get the tubing and wrap it around this piece of paper. Around tightly. Like so. And yeah, what you want to do is pull it out like that. So it's made quite a longish piece. Okay, and then you want to sellotape that up together. So you want to sellotape one tube up. That's simply by doing the side, middle, and then once you've done the side and middle, do the end of it. Okay. Now you should have it like that. This tube's sellotaped up, but this thin bit can still come out. Make it length of whatever shotgun you want, and then sellotape around the big bit, half big bit, and then around this small bit at the same time. So sellotape buggered up. So where the bit can come out, this bit where it can extend, you gotta get it right, make sure you want the measurement that you want, and then sellotape around it so you can't pull it out anymore, okay? So then you've just got one massive tube, okay? Then you want to get a small piece like this, just cut out a small piece like that, and then scroll it up widthways. And this will be used, surprise, surprise, for a handle, okay? So you want to sellotape that up. Side, middle, other side. Okay. One, two, three. There we are, so you've got a thin bit for the handle and this massive long bit here. Okay, now what I showed you on the other one to make the pistol, you've got to cut the triangles out in the handle. Okay. And you want to cut it out, measuring around both sides. I'll show you what I mean in a minute, so if you haven't done it, you can pause the video and look and see what I'm doing. This bit here, cut out both of the sides. Okay, now you want to fix that onto the big bit, right? Like I showed you on the pistol, at the bottom, just flatten it out on the bottom, okay? So you should have it rounded at the top, but really flat on the bottom. So then the handle can just simply slot in there, okay? Don't make it too flat, because then it'll make it obvious you've made it flat to fit the handle on. So, then you want to sellotape the handle onto the gun. Okay. So that I've got a cold and it's so annoying. Wait. So I still take the handle on. keep on sticking the handle on until, until the handle basically can't move. So when you when you're holding it, your handle's staying still. Okay? Like that. Okay, so now you've got your handle sticking out of it. And then shotgun. Okay. Okay, now, sorry about this, I've got a really bad cold, it's so annoying. Okay, what you want to do is get another piece and wrap it around. See this bit? Like, you've got the end of the gun, and then you've got the other end of the gun. Well, you should see the small bit, and it leads into the big bit. So the small bit here, it goes inside the big bit. Okay, so what you want to do is wrap it around width here, where the small bit goes into the big bit. In the middle of that bit, roll it up, okay? Roll a piece of paper, width ways around it. Okay? You don't want to make it too tight, and you'll see why in a minute. Don't. Okay? You gotta self-tape that up. Make sure it's not too tight, but make sure it's not too loose. You do not want it too loose. Don't worry. I'm basically worried about my shotgun not being good, but I'm gonna get a tutorial. Yours is gonna be better than mine. This is just a little demonstration. Right, so then you should have your thing, and that'll be used to pull back. Can you fire? Let me try back, okay? I can cock it back. Okay, now this is the bit where you really need your scissors. Where you see your handle, right here, underneath this bit, like right about there, you've got to just put a hole. You'll see in a minute. I'll show you in a minute. I'm just doing it myself. So there, you've got a hole in the bottom of your thing, okay? And I'll be showing you how to make some shotgun shells later. You can just put your shotgun shells in, cock it back. Yeah, you just cock it back, and then you shotgun, and then you, if it's real life shotgun, then your cock will be like tucked in. So make sure you get it so it goes over the hole. Okay. Okay. Right, next thing. What's the next thing? What things we could do? That's about it for the shotgun, really. If you want to know any more tips and tricks on my shotgun, yeah, fine. But I'll just go over the basics with you. Handle. Oh yeah, and if you want to make a trigger hole, all you have to basically do is, for instance, I'll just use this bit. This is going to be a big gun. Let's see, like this long piece of paper, you fold it so it makes an L shape, and then basically you would put it on your gun like that, okay, so that it can fire, okay, but you don't really have to do that, basically, because, I don't know, you just don't really have to, so, yeah, thanks for watching, and, no, wait a minute, I'll show you how to make the shotgun shells real quick, right. I'll just quickly show you how to make some shotgun shells for your shotgun, might as well. Right, cut out a piece of paper like that. Roll it up. It's just gonna be one quick shotgun shell. Okay. So now you've got a piece of paper that small, your shotgun shell. Okay. And you want to sellotape that up. Wait a minute, it's being stupid. But noobified. I found it. But sellotape that shotgun shell up. Sellotape that shotgun shell up. Keep on saying it. Yeah, so you've got a circular gun. You got your shotgun shell. You just stick it in the bottom. So it's gone through this hole like you cut out. Cock it back. And basically, if you want, you can blow through that end, and then your shotgun should come out the other end. I'll just show you. You put your shotgun shell in. I mean, I can't blow it properly. It's stupid. Alright, come on. But yeah, shotgun shell and your shotgun. It's all complete. If you want any more tips and tricks on how to improve your shotgun, I've got loads. I've just got loads, but I just don't have time really to do them. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.